These questions are similar to the ones you saw in the last video. Well, the only difference is that we need to use trigonometric, exponential and logarithmic functions in these questions. In question A, we need to use math module's trigonometric functions. Since all these functions require passing values in radians, we need to convert our angle from degrees to radians. We can do that by using math.radians function or make the conversion ourselves, which is simply degrees times pi divided by 180. Following the formula, we just plug that radian angle value to the cosine and sine functions. Oops, let's import the math module. In question B, let's convert the degrees to radians using the second method. Here we write arctangent 75 degrees. And let's call this nominator, num, and let's do the denominator, which is cosine 60 degrees plus arcsine 10 degrees. We then carefully add parentheses to complete the rest of the formula. In question C, we call math.pi_constant to get the pi value and divide it by 2. We then multiply that with natural logarithm 4. In fact, Python's logarithm function actually assigns default base value as e number, which is what we use to calculate the natural logarithm. In this final question, we use math.x function, which calculates e to the power of something, which is minus square root of logarithm base 6 of 3. Here, note that the second value what we pass to the log function is the base value. And that's it for now. See you in the next video.